Well, here we are. Well, Tony, serve yourself. Grab a tool and let's do some work, amigo. Okay, el Tony con su pico, listo para echarle bola. Okay, so this one, someone already fixed it. And this is the tool right here. And we basically need to work on the last part, getting out of the canyon. So we're going to borrow land from that hill and from this hill to cover this. Well, making progress. No, huevo, no, está inmenso, huevo.
Marico, no lo veo. ¿Dónde está?
Ahí. Well, looking good. Tony did a great job. We continue a little further down. The seven doors. I hope.
And off to work I go.
You are such a fucking expert.
I hope.
I hope.
I hope.
Next stage.
Yes, sir.
Keep going. Thanks. Well, almost at the very end. Beautiful. Thank you, my friend. Water break. I'm tired as fuck, but looking good.
We need to like
Well, guys, we're going up. Later.
anything that needs to be patched up there?
Nope, nothing. This is the only zone that will be dangerous.
Send it.
Yep.
All right, guys. Send it.
And this is how it looks now.
Chamo, dejamos esto bellísimo, weón.
I know. People is gonna be that it's gonna be too easy now.
Yeah. Marvin.
Marvin. So we have 3 lines next to the wall, middle, and the original drop with the rock. So we keep all of them, and they are rideable now. You are late for the party.
Huh?
You are late.
I guess. Yeah.
You are cheating. Your bicycle is crawling for you. Well, it's gonna be loose for a while, but good. So this is the source of water. Water goes down like 3 feet and then gets to a point that cannot go anymore, and then slide all the way down to this trail, all the way down. You guys find your spot.
You have to just tell yourself that
Back to storage. Gracias, Tony.
these are going down to the cracker now. Fine, that crack, my reader's covered in that direction.
When you wait too long to fix these cracks, fucking concrete, you can do shit. That is a toy.
Huh?
That is a toy knife. Come on, tiny.
That's the Rambo knife. This is a good one. Yeah.
Really?
Oh, really good.
Okay, show me. Go ahead. Yeah, very good. How you doing? Good. How are you?
Good.
You bring the toys. Thanks for working here, my friend.
Oh yeah? Nice.
Cheers.
Yeah, have a good one, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, all the tools are ready here at the trailhead. Well, supervision going down. Make sure that we did everything we were supposed to be doing. Hi there. Looking good. Thank you. Thanks.
I have a jug of water there.
I'll take a cold one. Thanks.
Yeah, of course.
Tony, thank you.
Thank you. You jump, right? Yeah. It's different. Can you jump?
Okay, all the people show up. Trash. Thank you. Food is ready. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Awesome. The beer dude is not here yet. What the heck?